All right, good morning. Today is August 16, options expiration day. And yesterday we had a nice short squeeze. And after those news, there was a big gap. We opened way above the previous session's range and kept squeezing all day until we got to the monthly pivot area. We couldn't get any higher. NQ got to the 50 daily moving average and couldn't break above it. We did break above it overnight, but then now we came down to the middle of the range. It's options expiration, so with OPEX there are other forces at play, and so positions need to be adjusted. There's some stuff from the market makers side of things that they need to do with the positions, roll, etc. So we're gonna see some of that today, and so what I'm looking at is this red profile is a 90-day profile. The gray one is a 20-day profile. So this level, the 55.34, has been a key level for a while already, and there's a low volume node in the 20-day profile and a high volume node on the 90-day profile. So let me just show you this without this 90-day profile. So we have that area right here, the 55.30. That's support, and then we have the gap fill. So if we get below yesterday's low, so that means we're below this low volume node, and then it opens the possibility to fill the gap. But the thing is that we have all this high volume area right here, so and the 50 moving average. So this might not be an easy gap to fill, and I'm thinking that if we test below, we're gonna find some buyers here. Also, some of the shorts that got squeezed yesterday might be taking that opportunity to cover their shorts if they haven't yet. So I'm thinking that we might find support in this area today if we are able to get here. If sellers are really pushing and then we fill the gap, then we're gonna be in this distribution right here, and we're likely gonna test this point of control at 54.78-ish. I'm sorry, 54.68-ish. But in this market lately, anything can happen, especially on options expiration. Now, if we cannot move lower, look for how yesterday's value gets treated, and if we get inside value, which is 55.46, then I'm gonna look for a move through value. And here we have the point of control up here. The yesterday's settlement is up here, and yesterday's high is very close too. So in that case, then that the bullish imbalance from yesterday is gonna get repaired at 56.06. So I would watch that if we move up through value, and then there's a high chance that we make new highs and then attempt to go into the 5600s and make new highs at end of the week with a higher note. It could also be that we just balance here and we fill this area with volume. Now I don't know why I'm not switching screens now, but I was saying that we can maybe be rotational in balance and then fill this area with volume, which is a possibility also. So keep that in mind. So, learn how to recognize if the day is rotational or trending. The sooner you recognize it, the easier it gets to trade during the day. Okay, NQ. Again, similar to ES, we have some support at 19,400, and if we get below it and break the lows from yesterday, also same thing. There's some support in the middle of the gap, but if we break below this high volume area of 280, then we can likely come down another 80 points and fill the gap at 203.50. In crude oil, I didn't read the news, but something happened during last night that oil dropped like a couple bucks, $3 from yesterday, and so we're now we're in this range, and I would look, a good place to look for longs is the 73.20 area, and shorts up here at the 78 area. But in the middle, it's we're in balance, so I would look for these areas to be rotational in balance, and look for those high volume nodes as target if you're scalping or trading inside this mess. But now we're of course we found sellers but look at just now we found support at 74.50, and we're moving back above the weekly pivot. Gold is now moving higher again. It's attempting to test its highs at 25.36. It almost got there. Not quite, but it's almost there. So if it breaks above, then again, this is the target for doubling this range that we've been trading on for a while. So it has room to move to the upside, but of course that's not going to happen in one day. Other than that, the point of control, the 20 and the 5-day point of control are here at, they shifted higher at 24.93. 24.93 is the 20-day point of control right now. So failure to hold these prices, we're likely going to move down here to this point of control. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, we have today University of Michigan sentiment preliminaries and inflation expectations, etc. at 10 a.m. So keep that in mind, because this is a market mover. And at 1 p.m. we have total rig count. So watch oil, and then we have some Fed speaking at 1:25. Other than that, that's it for the week. If you made money during the week, don't lose it on a Friday. Have a good one. Good luck.